Assalamu alaikum, peace be on you worldmates. I hope everyone is safe and doing well. Okay, this video is all about washing hands, which is very important in the current situation. So let's learn how to wash our hands to be safe, and let's make it a habit. I will use black color to just demonstrate the soap or the hand wash liquid, just to show how it covers. So let's get it started. Let's do it. Okay, so let's get it started. Imagine this color is the hand wash or the soap. So first rub both hand palms together. It will cover the palms, and then scrub between fingers of the both hand as it is visible in the video. Now rub palm of one hand on back of other hand. Repeat this on the other hand. Rub the finger tips and half of the fingers to cover complete fingers of both hands. As you can see, the thumbs are still not covered with the soap or the color. Keep the thumb in other hand, grip it and apply, roll over your thumbs. Rub the tips of fingers on the palms to cover the nails. To finish, rub your wrist of both hands. As you can see, the soap is applied properly and it takes 20 to 30 seconds or even a minute. Rinse your hands well under clean running water. Then dry your hands with clean towel or a piece of cloth or a air dryer. Try to repeat this every hour or 90 minutes, or whenever you are going out to public places or touching things which are frequently touched by others, or before or when you enter your home. Try to make this a habit. Try to show this procedure to your kids. Let them learn. This habit, it's not only important in the current situation, but if we make it a habit in our life, it will save us from a lot of diseases, germs. One more important thing, we use sanitizers frequently. It is good to use sanitizers, but sanitizers doesn't remove all type of germs, or doesn't get rid of all kind of germs. So it is very important to wash our hands with soap or even hand wash liquids. Thanks mates. Just be safe. Try to avoid public places, going out of your home. Try to clean your hands, your surroundings, your home. Make it a better place. Stay safe. Stay home. Good luck. Please, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe, like if you really like it, and share in all the groups, communities, your friends. Let everyone follow this procedure. It's for our own good.